welcome to the second video in our IChemE Insight series, which is designed to keep you up to date with some of the key initiatives happening here at the Institution of Chemical Engineers. I'm Sarah Fox, Internal Communications and Engagement Manager here at the institution, and today it's my absolute pleasure to be joined by three members from Congress. Congress is the member-elected advisory board to the institution. And today we have Chair Nigel Hirst, Vice Chair Rob Keeling, and Congress member for the South East UK, Elizabeth Salter. So welcome to you all. Thank you for being here today. I'd like to start with you first, Nigel, please. Can you tell us what Congress is and why do we have this advisory body?
Well, Congress grew out of a need to make the IChemE more democratically accountable. Members are elected from all grades of membership and all regions, so it is truly representative. And we discuss matters of concern raised by members and provide advice to the Board of Trustees, the Learned Society Committee, the Regions Committee, and anyone else who needs it. Congress is entirely separate to other committees and the Board of Trustees and is free to discuss and advise as it sees fit. It's held in a virtual space using the Yammer and SharePoint applications, as Wendy Wilson described in her recent video. Okay, that's really good to know. Thanks for sharing that with us, Nigel. I'd like to move on to Rob now, please, if I may. So Rob, can you tell us more about the aims of Congress and what it's achieved so far?
Okay, well, the aims of Congress are simple. We're here really for two things: to review and advise on changes to the governance and the operation of the IChemE. And our function is really quite distinct from the activities of the Learned Society, the regions and qualifications, which we aim to support, but we most certainly don't duplicate. Congress has advised the Board of Trustees and some of the other committees, and they have accepted the need to revise some of their proposals, covering, for example, things like the Members' Code of Conduct, a value proposition for the whole institution, and lately the strategic direction to be taken by the IChemE proposed in the climate change statement from the Energy Centre. So I think we can say, I certainly feel that the work of Congress has been and continues to be quite varied and certainly is influential.
Okay, thank you very much, Rob. So now to you, Elizabeth. I understand you've been a member of Congress since the beginning. First of all, you represented the rest of the world when you were based in Oman. And now you're back in the UK, I understand, and you're the Congress member for the South East. It'd be really good to know your personal experiences of Congress so far, and what do you think it's achieved?
So I enjoy being the voice of the members. I believe I'm an approachable kind of person, and I really believe in diversity of thought. So we need a range of people inputting to make sure that the IChemE benefits from that range of views that you can have as an institution. But also, if you have that range of views, you're also benefiting a range of members, not just a narrow few people who might be in the UK or anywhere else. So I'm in the UK now, yes, as you say, and I'm representing the South East. However, for the last 12 years, I've been traveling around the world, working in different places. And that international experience has given me a chance to encourage people into membership, mentor them, progress them towards chartership, with a view to promoting professionalism. So I've continued that when I've joined Congress. I want to promote the IChemE and professionalism, and by listening to members, as I say, I think I'm an approachable person. By listening to them, I can be that conduit between the membership and the governance, so the Board of Trustees. Because I want to make sure that ability to be a professional and understand the values of being a professional is available to everybody, no matter what their location, nationality, gender, race, or whatever other way that they might consider themselves unique. And by listening to members and having that opportunity for oversight, I can have an impact in what's happening in the IChemE, and being that conduit, as I say, helps the institution function to achieve its vision and to focus on benefiting society in lots of different ways. So that's why I enjoy it, that's why I think it's impactful, and that's why I think it's meaningful that I'm part of it.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts on that, Elizabeth. And it's really good that we've had you here today, along with our chair and our vice chair. It's been an opportunity to learn something about Congress. And of course, there is more that you can find out just by visiting our website. So if you go to the IChemE website, go to the About Us section, and then scroll down to the People section, you'll see the current Congress members on there. Elizabeth will be there, Nigel and Rob, along with the other members. They do have their details on there. They have their email address, their Congress email address. So if you do want to contact them, you're able to do it in that way. Or if you have a general inquiry, you can email congress@icheme.org. And just to finish off, we will be having elections next year, early in 2021. So if you are interested in becoming a member of Congress, then please do get in touch and get involved. And finally, just to let you know, all of the videos in this series will be available on our YouTube channel under the IChemE Insight playlist. So please do go and have a look and take a look at the other IChemE initiatives. Thank you so much for attending today, and thank you for watching.